So for today, we're on a 6-story condo, and unfortunately, the way the condo is set up, there's no way I can get my truck mount lines to their condo. I have plenty of line to do that, and vacuum hose, and of course all that stuff, but it's not going to work, and I got to go way down there and stuff. And so today, I'm just going to use my Ninja portable. Nice machine. It goes from 500 to 1200 psi. I use it a lot for tile and grout cleaning, and you know, it doesn't have a heater, so I have to compensate in some other ways for that. So we're going to use Ultra Pack and Sager's Deep Blue to get it out. So I'll show you what we're going to deal with soon. Nice little bucket arrangement here. Maybe I can talk to HOA and they'll let me doing these carpets too, because they're pretty bad shape. There's a lot of yellowing. They just look, ugh, they need to be brightened up and cleaned. That's another adventure. Start doing some end cap on this place. Welcome. So, one of the things that's kind of difficult in my profession is that you do have these situations where you just can't get up there with that truck mount. If it was on this side of the building, I can't. Because obviously it's in a lobby or a garden type area or whatever. But if it was on the other side, I could. So, got the portable out, and I forgot my hose. So I have to go back and get it out of my truck over here. And it's fun stuff. I did charge accordingly though, so it's about 350 bucks to do this job. And it's really more time and setup than the actual cleaning. So I'll show you in a little bit. All right, so I had to come all the way back down for this little hose here. And I gotta go walk all the way back there, because this place is like Fort Knox. They don't want to let anybody in here. And the poor lady, she has to sit over here in the lobby and wait for me to come in and do my stuff. And there's a lot of seniors in this area here, so she's just kicking back. She's gonna wait. So back we go, and then I can start working. Ugh. So this is what I'm dealing with today. We had a major hurricane come through our neighborhood, and it was a lot of fun, but now we got to get all this stuff kind of cleaned up. So the lady had water damage. This is her brother's place, I guess. They had water damage, and guys came in to dry it out, and when they came in, they really didn't dry it out that well, I don't think. And 9 times out of 10, I'd just say rip it out. But she doesn't want to rip it out, so we're going to clean it. And really what's happening here, it's a lot of, you can see it's kind of orangey, yellowish looking stuff. And basically, that is just water damage. And it's a pH issue, really. There might be some matter in here, some dirt and grime and everything like that. So I'm going to use the Ultra Pack and everything and get it cleaned up. I wonder if they had a pet. You know, so I mean that looks like pet stains there. So a lot of stuff came up from the backing of the pad and stuff, and that's what you got to deal with here. So I'm going to give it a good vacuuming, and I'm going to put down my pre-sprays. I'm going to use the Ultra Pack today. I would have used Sager's Code Red, but I ran out, and I got to get some more on order. But anyways, you know, he's right down in Tampa. Maybe I should just call him, see what's going on. Anyways, I'm going to use the Ultra Pack today, and then once I'm done with the Ultra Pack, we're going to go and extract it out with the acidic rinse. That really helps with the watermarks and stuff that this has produced here. This is really more of watermarking and stuff, okay? And this carpet, it's pretty old, so, and green carpet, it's kind of funny. It, like, cleans up really well, or it doesn't. So, but I'm pretty sure I'll get a good job out of it. And then I also got, there's my Ultra Pack right there, all set to go. And I got another little room over here to take care of. So, I'm going to get started on this guy. Get it taken care of. Let's go. One of the key things to do in any good cleaning and restoration is the pre-vacuuming. I'm part of some groups out there on Facebook and everything, and I hear these guys all the time, like, they just go and spray stuff down, and then they wonder why their wands are clogging up and all kinds of stuff getting into their machines and everything. And when you're dealing with portables, well, any cleaning situation really, pre-vacuuming is the key. So I really like to do a good vacuuming before I do anything. It is time consuming, you know, but I'm a quality guy, so I charge accordingly for that. And, you know, the results do really stand out. We're going to spray this out here. Ultra pack. All right, you get the idea. I'm going to start hauling on this thing. Because I'm telling you, a truck mount has spoiled my ass. I'm telling you, this is such a pain to do. You know, portables with their sprayers and stuff. It's ridiculous. But sometimes that's what you got to do. It's the name of the game. Let me continue on with spray. You can see it's like I got the Ultra Pack down now, and I just put it down like maybe a few minutes ago, and it's already starting to break up that matter. It's really starting to lighten up and everything. So now I'm going to agitate it with the CRB and really get into it. Yeah, I know. So you're going to say, aren't you going to move the couches? Yes, I will move the couches. But right now, this is the main area I'm concentrating on. So, that's going to look great when it's done. It's going to brighten up. Brand new. So a lot of times these carpets, they get really matted down. And, I'm telling you, the CRB really helps bring back that fiber, makes it stand up again, really gets down into the piling, and really makes the job look 100 times better. So I highly recommend you get one if you don't have one. I gotta move some stuff in the way. The only thing I can say about the CRB is that this guy's a little too big, and they got a 10-inch. This is a 15, 17, something like that. And, you know, it's a little too big for the truck mount. But, you know, it was my first one, and I figured I would just get big. Not the biggest, but big enough. And there's a 20-inch or something like that, 22-inch. And they're heavy, you know. They're really heavy, so they can lay down and get into the carpet and or flooring, whatever it is you're working on. So as you can see, I got it all agitated with the CRB now, and it looks funky and good, and it's really starting to clean up. I'm letting the Ultra Pack just dwell really well, and I'm going to get the portable set up over here. I got a really tiny area to work with, guys and gals, but, you know, I deal with it. And anyway, so I don't have to do any high pressure with this thing. This portable right here, it goes from 500 PSI to 1200. And it's perfect for carpet cleaning. I like 500 PSI, man. It's just great. So the only problem is that obviously it doesn't have a heater in it or anything else like that. So I got to use some hot water with it. And the customer had their hot water tank off, so I have to sit there a while and let it get all hot. Fun! So I got all the rugs done already, and they're looking really good. One thing I want to show you guys, though, with the portable on this one, I'm pretty sure my jets probably need to be replaced, and B, I think I mixed a little too much of the Sager's Deep Blue, a little too concentrated. I'll show you what I mean. So, see the streaks? So, you really can't see them too much now because the carpet's clean, but the streaks come through a lot more prominent when your jets are failing and or you got too much concentration in here. So I'm going about 500 PSI. That's as low as I can go with this portable. Whee! All right, let's just do a little more touch up and then I'll be done. All right, so I'm done. I'm gonna lift this sucker up here. I gotta get out all the extra water. Goes right back into there. Ooh, foamy, foamy. Oh, too much foam. Got into it, and it turned off the machine, or the vacuum anyways. So, because what happens, vacuums used to blow out underneath and stuff and make a bigger mess. And so they put in a little valve, so if there's too much foam or whatever, the valve goes up and it shuts the vacuum off. Pretty cool feature. This is the result. Everything's all nice and clean, bright. Looks really good. Got out all that water stains that were in there. Smells great. Yeah, she's going to be very happy. I think they should actually rip out the rug, but they don't want to do that yet. So she's going to rent it out for a little bit, and then probably upgrade the whole place. Anyways, please leave some likes, comments, suggestions, opinions, whatever you want. And I hope some of this helps you guys out there, and I'll talk to you later. Have a great day.